Hey guys, what's going on everybody? I gotta tell ya, after years on the road, I've learned one thing for sure. A bad sewer hose can turn your RV trip into a nightmare real quick. You know what I mean? Today, I'm gonna show you what I believe is the best RV sewer hose for your money. Trust me, this is gonna save you a whole lot of headache down the road. Alright, so let's get real for a second. If you've been RVing for any length of time, you know that a good sewer hose is not just a luxury. It's an absolute necessity. I mean, we're talking about the difference between a smooth, hassle-free dump and, well, a total mess. Those cheap hoses? Yeah, they might seem like a good deal at first, but let me tell you, they're nothing but trouble. I've seen it all. Hoses that crack in the cold, collapse under pressure, or just start leaking out of nowhere. And trust me, when you're out in the middle of nowhere, dealing with a busted sewer hose is the last thing you want. That's why investing in a quality hose is so important. It's not just about convenience, it's about keeping your rig clean and your sanity intact. Now, let me introduce you to what I consider the best sewer hose out there. The Camco RhinoFLEX 20-foot RV sewer hose kit. This bad boy has been my go-to for a while now, and for good reason. First off, you're getting 20 feet of total length, split into two 10-foot sections. That means you've got options, whether you need to reach a far-off dump station or just need a quick hookup. But here's where it gets really good. This kit comes with a transparent elbow, which might not sound exciting, but trust me, it's a game changer. Being able to see what's flowing through means you know exactly when you're done dumping. No more guessing games. And those swivel fittings? They're a lifesaver. No more twisted hoses or struggling to get a good connection. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sure, it sounds good, but how does it hold up in the real world? Well, let me tell you about this one time last winter. I was camped out in Colorado, temperatures well below freezing. I've had hoses crack on me in weather like that before, but not the RhinoFLEX. This thing is made with heavy-duty polyolefin and reinforced with steel wire. It's like the tank of sewer hoses. And storage? That's always a pain with RV gear, right? Not with this. It's got this accordion-style design that actually works. I can compress it down to a fraction of its size and it fits right in my compartment, no problem. But here's the real kicker. When you extend it, it stays rigid. No sagging, no kinks, just a straight shot to the dump station. Look, at the end of the day, your RV sewer hose is not something you want to be skimping on. I've been through more hoses than I care to count, and I can say without a doubt that the Camco RhinoFLEX is the best value out there. It's not the cheapest option, sure, but think about it this way. Would you rather buy one good hose or replace a cheap one every few months? This hose has never let me down, and that peace of mind is worth every penny. If you're serious about RV life, whether you're a full-timer like me or just a weekend warrior, do yourself a favor and pick one of these up. I've got the Amazon link down in the description. Grab one before your next trip. Trust me, future you will be thanking present you for making the smart choice. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you today. Remember, this is HBRV Lifestyle, keeping it real for all of you out here living the RV life. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk about RV living. Until next time, stay safe out there on the road, and I'll catch you in the next one.